In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Gamma support quickly and the right way. Whether you're running into a technical issue, need help with a feature, or just want to check whether Gamma is having a service problem, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you know where to click and what to do. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Gamma account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a question mark icon there. This is the main help and support area inside Gamma, so if you're ever stuck, this is the first place you should check. Click on that question mark icon, and a support menu will appear. From there, select Contact Support. This is the option you want when you need help from the Gamma team directly. It's useful if you're having trouble with your account, a presentation, an export, or anything else that isn't working the way it should. Now, if you're not sure whether the issue is with your account or with Gamma itself, you can also look for the Gamma status option. When you click that, Gamma will show you whether their servers are having any current issues or outages. This is a really helpful step because sometimes the problem isn't on your side at all. If the service is down or experiencing delays, you'll know right away and won't waste time troubleshooting something that is already being worked on. Another option you'll see is Ask a Question at the top. If your issue is specific and you want help with something particular, this is a great choice. When you click it, a chatbot will open up. You can type your question directly into the chat and ask for help in plain language. Be as clear as possible and include details about what you're trying to do, what went wrong, and what you've already tried. The more specific you are, the easier it is to get a useful answer. For example, if your presentation won't load, or a feature isn't responding, you can explain exactly what's happening in the chatbot. If you're asking about billing, account access, or a template issue, mention that too. That way the support flow can guide you faster toward the right solution. So to recap, if you need Gamma support, log in first, click the question mark icon in the bottom right, choose Contact Support, check Gamma status if you want to see whether the servers are having issues, or use Ask a Question at the top to chat with the support bot about a specific problem. It's simple, fast, and gives you a few different ways to get help depending on what you need. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.